I think we can make that work. Put the parking brake on.
There you go. Yeah, forever until the new one comes out.
Well, so today's race day. We're at the Sonoita, like it's the point to point. So we're starting in Sonoita, which is between mainland Mexico and Baja. So it's right in the middle. It's like a 150-mile race. So it's gonna be over quick. So it's pretty much gonna have to be foot to the floor, just going as fast as we can, trying to get to the finish line before everybody else.
Man, you know, I'm just making some numbers here with this awesome Sharpie that our buddy Cameron brought. Guys out in California, man, they did a great job with the wrap, but they forgot the numbers, so no worries, we'll pivot and freaking make some numbers, man. So 257, man. Probably gonna start running the duct tape. It's gonna be our trademark, you know, trademark duct tape numbers. That's kind of what we're looking at doing. So that's it, man. Hooking it up.
Yeah, I got my seatbelts all adjusted, all the iPads are all squared away, GPS is all set up. We got our DIY numbers. For some reason they filled them in kind of weird, but yeah, we're good. Truck looks good. KDM Stock Technologies really hooked it up, so it's gonna be a smooth ride and I'm ready to go. Getting in the truck now. Just getting our belts on, helmets, everything. Hooking up our air, our radios, turning on GPS. About to go get staged. We're ready. Truck's ready. We're about to go get in line.
Oh yeah, good luck out there.
Thanks, Ben. Feel it. So, pretty much what happened is we were just like pinning it all the way, treating it like a sprint race. And so this number 3 guy right here, we were just chasing him all day. We started like 8th or 9th, and he started like 2nd or 3rd. We've been racing him all season, and we're just trying to keep up with him. There was a couple other buggies we got by. We passed probably 8 or 9 cars today, and we just last 5 to 10 miles, we saw his dust, and we just, God, we just put it on the ground with the throttle and just I mean, he just said that we started 2 minutes behind him, and unofficially we finished a minute 40 behind him. So we won't see until they come out with the official results tonight. But God, 20 seconds, that's close. We're gonna see what happens.
You know, my body's still kind of tingly, man. Like, it was, you know, we started 9th, and unofficially we think we overalled the whole race, right? Because that's what overall means. It was intense, man. I'll tell you. You know, with Jax spent a lot of time working on the shocks the last, you know, couple months, which I didn't think was a big deal. But he's like, no, the shocks should start right, man. So he got with our shock guy, and then they went up to Barso and spent a bunch of time, and we're doing 80 miles an hour, 90. I don't know, man. It's just, I literally put down, you know, my gloves and everything in the side holder, and I just held on, dude. I just held on my seat the whole time. Oh man, it was gnarly, dude. So I don't know, man. It's pretty amazing, you know. So it was incredible, and it was a great day, and you know, had an awesome ride. I was gonna say this to you, but the mic deal cut out. We couldn't talk the last 75 miles.
Yeah, like I could hear him, but I had the GPS facing me.
Well, I just quit talking.
We've never gotten that fast through those whoops.
Yeah, is it Keith? Yeah, Kate. Yeah, I said our shot guy.
Keith, the KDM
Keith, the KDM is a magician. I'll tell you that, man. I mean, we've raced this, you know, 4 or 5 times before, and today was just, it was a game changer, man.
And then like Evan Weller, I wasn't even worried about the truck having any issues. Like it was rock solid.
Yeah, I tell you, man. You know, yeah, good point, man. Evan Weller Racing. I tell you, it's amazing to be able to go to a race and not worry like, oh man, are we gonna lose a drive shaft, or is this gonna go out? I mean, Jax was able to push the truck as hard as he's ever pushed it, not worrying about if something's gonna break, you know. So Evan, man, hands down to you, man. Great job. That was it made it for an awesome day, that's for sure. So next weekend, here we go. We're heading to Norra, man. You know, today was kind of like a test for Norra, so we're gonna go do 500 miles next weekend in Baja, Mexico, Baja, California, man. So I think Jax is prepped up and primed and ready to go. So we'll go do Friday and Saturday in Norra and see how it goes. So overall, just truck looks perfect. Couple little scratches on it, but best it's ever done. So it was awesome, man.
1450s is the next category, so get prepared. They can't follow instructions here. There's a walk across here? Yes. Hey, at least none of us fall. All right, Jax. Good job today, guy.
So we just pretty much had an awesome race. Thanks for all y'all coming out. Course is awesome. Thanks SADR. It was just super fast, little mix of everything. Super fast, super technical, super rocky, super sandy. It was just super awesome. Thanks Evan Weller for the awesome prep job, and KDM Shock Technologies for just making the whoop smooth. So yeah, thanks for all y'all coming out here today.
So I'm Shane, Jax's dad. So I got to, it's pretty cool riding with a 14-year-old, right? And I mean 16, you're almost 17 now, so anyway, but yeah, it's a great race. We'll be at the Norra 500 next weekend. So Todd, thanks for putting the race on. You probably didn't plan it this way, but this was a great, great for us to get to go out and shake the truck out. And so anyways, man, the track was awesome, man. We raced the last 4 or 5 SADR races, and this is by far the funnest one. I was holding on to my seat, man, the whole time with some of those whoops. So it was awesome, man, and great. Thanks for you guys, putting it all on. We had a great time. Thank you.
That was passing and nerfing people in a pre-run. Yeah, way to go, Smee. Hey, second place, trophy truck, Ed Melton, driver.
All right, guys, so super positive weekend here in Rocky Point. We ended up getting first overall and first in the unlimited truck class. So super good weekend, getting the truck all broken, ran super good. So next up is the Norra 500. It's a 2-day event, so it's gonna be a ton of fun, and we really like Norra, so we're gonna see how it goes. Sweet.